Hello everyone, it's Elle and welcome back to the Home Decor channel. I want to share with you 4 home decor and furniture trends that were revived in 2024. They are forever trends that's definitely going to elevate your home time and time again. So stay tuned. "2024 is the year of the dining room chair because people are utilizing their dining rooms once again. Whether you choose a breakfast nook or formal seating, place settings are gone and the dining room chair has been moved in to show off that modern interior style. This open back dining room chair is insanely popular for 2024. Now, me personally, I would shy away from this chair only because, as beautiful as it is, it can become rather trendy too soon. However, 2024 has shown us a beautiful selection of dining room chairs throughout furniture stores to help transform your dining space into the preferred gathering place. And it doesn't matter the shape of your dining room table, inviting chairs makes an inviting space. Something too formal may deter people from wanting to sit in your dining room, so bring in those fabulous, interesting, eclectic dining room chairs, and they will serve you for many, many years. There are many home decor and furniture stores that you could visit in person for inspiration, or go to Homegoods, TJ Maxx, Amazon to find those luxury dupes for your dining room. As the interior design frenzy continues to grow on social media, many people want to make their homes look quote unquote expensive. So how do you achieve that look in your space? We can start off with lighting. Not just any old lighting, but there is one particular look of lighting that really continues to make a home shine and sparkle, and that is the Sputnik. Sputnik lighting became very popular in the mid-century era and is still a popular choice for interior design and home staging projects. In 2023, Sputnik lighting was exiled to another galaxy, but in 2024, they came back in with a bang and a sparkle. Interior designers are using the Sputnik lights and creating visual effects using different light bulbs, different shades to really make this setting, pendant light setting, a really creative lifetime trend. And to make matters even better, there's still a few things that make Sputnik lighting a design choice for you. And that one, you can find them just about in any home decor and furniture store. 2, they're inexpensive. 3, it's easy to switch out the light bulbs and create a different aesthetic. What was once considered old has been made new again, and that is with the marble tabletop. From coffee tables, dining tables, any surface, if you add marble, you're adding a luxury to your space, to your home. It's an expensive look, and you can get them at discounted prices from many furniture and home decor stores. Marble has been paired with fluted designs, then there are the metals, and then there are lots of eclectic coffee tables. So don't neglect marble when styling your home. It's definitely going to bring in that visual art that you need for the wow factor. Remember that marble was created in ancient history, but remains relevant in 2024 and beyond. With all the home decor I've shown you, I don't know if you notice that there is a color that's back on trend and it is remaining. Actually, it never left, and that is the grays. Let's say hooray for the grays. Now, I'm not talking about grays on your floors, grays on your doors, grays on the walls. I'm talking about rich, luxurious grays on your home decor and furniture. Gray sofas are popping up everywhere. It's a neutral color that we need, and without it, hey, everything turns to dust. So, congratulate gray if you have been thinking about adding it back into your home. Do not discriminate on this color because it is definitely the neutral color that you need in 2024, and it's going to be the neutral color for many years to come. Why gray remains one of the greatest colors there is? Because it provides luxury, it gives a look of elegance and supports your other furniture pieces. It's an anchor to other colors that you put into your home. Gray is a color that is popular in many interior design styles such as mid-century modern, art deco, the list goes on and on, traditional. So don't forget about gray when you decorate your home. So those were the forever trends that were revived in 2024 and will remain throughout the history of interior design. Now let's take a look at some of the other home decor in this video. So I hope you got a lot of inspiration and you will be decorating with the Sputnik, with the grays, with marbles, and of course with luxury and elegance.